It's fall at Windrock, and it is absolutely gorgeous. There's a lot of the leaves are turning, and by the end of the weekend, the leaves are really starting to come down on the ground. So temperature's perfect, dirt's perfect. Love to see all these leaves out, and just couldn't ask for anything more. This is the second weekend in October that I actually got to come to Windrock, and I've not rode, I think I've rode Rolling Coal maybe one time from the top about 2 years ago, but for whatever reason we started doing laps of Rolling Coal, what I think is called Lower Rolling Coal, and I think it's the best running ride right now in the park. And so this particular run, I think it was about my second or third run maybe down Rolling Coal, and there were two guys I think from Michigan that were with me, and Mr. Aaron Gwin was on the ride as well, so that was pretty cool. I cut it out of the video, but we had actually gone a little bit further around the corner and looked at what would be Lower Windmill, but there were too many leaves, so we just dropped in here at Lower Rolling Coal. So what was cool about riding with Aaron was he went kind of as a tour guide, or a pace that we could keep up with, and it was just interesting to see his style of riding, and just yeah, it's nice to be able to talk with him and just enjoy this lap on Rolling Coal. We weren't going particularly fast. I think the two guys behind me, I think this was their first time on Rolling Coal, and so Aaron did a good job of just kind of waiting for everybody and being a little bit of a tour guide.
Well, slippery. Doable. Very doable. That's so much freaking fun.
Oh, you got a flat?
Yeah.
You got cush core in?
No.
Is it tubed?
I don't know. This thing is in my bike.
Is it it's done, or? Here, see if you can tell where. Is it just burp?
No, she's flat. You guys?
You ride my bike if you think you could stay on the pedals.
Dude, you guys finished the run.
I'll run
My
down.
bad.
I can ride this thing down.
Oh,
And then I won't smoke the wheel.
you guys go ahead. I'll make the traverse. Not a big deal.
You know where you're going down from here?
Yeah. Yeah, I know where I'm going. So it's gonna be.
Just ride that thing. You'll be good. Just careful on the pedal.
You sure, man?
Yeah, you'll be alright.
Dude, you gotta do
If you
that.
crash it, I can fix it. I got that advantage. It doesn't cost me anything if you crash it. You'll be alright.
Yeah, I'm just eating your ride time.
Well,
man.
that was definitely super cool of Aaron. He actually gave the guy his bike to let him finish his ride, and Aaron just kind of eased on down the mountain. Pretty cool, pretty cool.
Oh, we got Sam.
I caught Rich earlier that morning in the parking lot, and he and Allie were riding. This is Allie's kind of comeback ride, I guess, from having a pretty bad crash at Snowshoe. And we were talking about, after everybody got warmed up, rolling coal.
So I'm not super fast, so I'll try to just call out anything that I think is a little bit. Yeah, so I'll just be like little drop. Everything else, you'll probably just see my body language. I mean, you'll see if I'm
Any other day,
puckering up a little bit.
I wouldn't be like worried about it, but I feel like I'm just throwing my head a little.
Rich towed me and Russ around a lot of the trails at Snowshoe, and so I really enjoy riding with Rich. He has a great style, obviously really cool attitude, and yeah, I didn't remember some of the more gnarlier sections, and I think I could have done a better job maybe of calling them out, but it was fun to ride with Rich and Allie. I think the interesting part about this video for me is, you know, we weren't like pegging it, we weren't going super fast, and I hope that this video can give other people sort of a good perspective of what to expect on this section of rolling coal. And you know, the weather, the temperature, the sky, everything was really just perfect. So I hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, see you on the next one. Thanks Rich and Allie for riding with me. Always a pleasure. And Allie, you did a kick-butt job for having your first comeback ride be at Windrock and riding rolling coal, no less.
Tricky to flip and get into.
I never noticed that until yesterday.
Oh shit. I don't think I ever have either.
Like an Aztec temple out here. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Probably you'd have to like stage up right here.
I'll drop in and slow up.
Okay.
I mean, you can see what everything else. It's just some little bit of tight switchbacks, but nothing like too crazy.
Yeah. They're like burned out. So.
Yeah. a little catch at the bottom there. Go left slowly.
I like it.
It's beautiful back here.
Yeah, it is. Well, it's in good shape. Nice little
Yeah.
take the fucker off for a bit.
This gets a little hot in here.
Yeah, I'm blue.
I'll hold it. Little drop. Yeah, this gets a little hot in here. Oh yeah, this gets a little hotter than I remember. You might want to walk that. Shit, I kind of feel like didn't give her a very good warning on that one.
I felt pretty bad about this last little section. I don't think it was fair to Allie, but she hung in there and did a good job. And unfortunately, it was just one of those sections that I kind of forgot. And once it gets on you, there's no getting it off of you.
At the very end here, we ended up just connecting in about midway down the new section of Lower Reach Around and took it back to Windrock. Hope you enjoyed the video.